In this video, I'm going to be showing you the most high quality video export settings you can use to export your video from Premiere Pro. So I'm inside Premiere Pro, and if we go to the Export tab, the format I recommend for the highest quality export is the QuickTime format setting. And the video codec I recommend for QuickTime is the Apple ProRes setting. Now, before you go into the comments section, and if you're a Windows PC user, you can download the video codec Apple ProRes, even though it was created by Apple for Windows and PC. So I will leave that link down in the video description. Install it. Just be sure that you close your software, install it, and then reopen it, and you should see it available from the menu options. Now there's a few different settings you can choose from. You can choose Apple ProRes 422 HQ. This is a pretty decent codec that kind of saves on storage space a little bit, but there's basically different options. The most highest quality, if you did want to go all the way, is Apple ProRes 4444 XQ. This is going to be the absolute best quality video when you export it out of Premiere Pro. There are other options. HQ stands for high quality, LT is light, and then you have proxy. So in order here, from highest quality to the lowest quality, XQ here is the highest quality, then without the XQ is like second highest quality, and then HQ, and then just normal 422, and then LT for light, and then proxy is going to be the lowest quality. And like I said, if you want to go with the highest quality, just go with that one and you should be good to go. Now, although this is the highest quality, this isn't the recommended upload setting for a lot of YouTube videos, social media videos. You need to choose the H.264 setting. If you want to see how to set up those export settings, I will link a video where I go over that right up there. Feel free to go watch that, but I hope this video was helpful if you wanted to see how to export your video in the absolute highest quality possible. That does it for this video. We'll see you guys next time.